Disney's Pocahontas. Who's making that sound? Now, Meeko. Now, Percy. Don't chitter. Don't yap. Let's all settle down for a nice, long nap. Buzz. 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 Who could that be? Not so noisy, busy bees. We're feeling drowsy. Chirp. 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 Now there's another sound. Please, cricket friends. Wait till the day ends. Who? Who's calling us now? We're glad you inquired. Yes, owl. We're tired. Croak. 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 Will we ever get to sleep? Happy frog, please hush. Your croaking's too much. Caw. 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 Now, where's that coming from? Look below, noisy crows. We're trying to doze. Honk. 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 There's just too much noise. Hush, silly geese. To sleep, we need peace. Knock. 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 Who's making that sound? It's a woodpecker, another nap wrecker. Quiet. Please? Ah, finally. Not a peep. Now, everyone, go to sleep. Sweet dreams, forest friends. Sweet dreams, everyone.